Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Big D's and Liam's Custom Garage. I'm Big D.
And I'm Liam.
We are coming back from a very long break. It was much needed. We had some stuff that needed to get taken care of, but we are back. We are back on the 350. We have made our final big purchase for the 350. As you guys can see, we have our new cylinder heads. After a long awaited time, but we have them. These are Summit Racing cast cylinder heads. They are not aluminum, but we do have the upgraded larger valves. We have the 202 intake and the 195 exhaust valves. As you guys can see here, these are your stock size compared to the new size, much larger. Okay, sorry about the background noise. I'm accidentally bumping my bar stool. Now on this side, let me rotate this around. We have the much stronger doubled valve springs. These valve springs handle up to a 530 lift, which is much larger than what we need. Our cam is only a 508, so we're good there. Screw-in rocker studs. From the factory, they are normally pressed in. These come with screw-in so they can handle more force on them. So, and of course, from the factory, Summit has obviously done some improvements. The passages flow a lot better. They've beefed up the mating surfaces for where the valve covers meet the head, so you have less leaking. So that is our new cylinder heads. We are going to jump right into this today, and here we go. Okay, everybody. Well, as you can see, she's done. Put together. Now, those headers that we have on the outside, those are not the headers that will be being ran on this motor. They are just on there, one for looks and two to keep the ports plugged up as good as I can for right now. Those headers originally came off of Darksin the El Camino. Same as the carburetor. The carburetor's the old one off of the Blazer. It's on there again just for looks and to keep everything plugged off. And the oil pan. The oil pan that is currently on it is not what we're going to be running. We will be running a deep sump Moroso oil pan on this motor because it holds an extra 3 quarts of oil. So that will come in handy. But she's done. She's ready to go in. Just got to order a couple more little small parts, guys. And we will be putting her in the Blazer very, very soon. Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, as you saw, we got her done. She is ready to go. We got a couple more small orders to make, basically stuff to get it installed. We got to get our torque converter, we got to get our proper headers, and some exhaust stuff, and the different oil pan that we're gonna run. It's same as ready to go in, just got a couple more things to get for it. So yeah, the next time you guys see us, we'll be installing this in dark matter.